Today we are going to be opening up other people's packages. I have wanted to do a video like this for years, and as you can see behind me, we have 2 large boxes that we are going to be opening of unclaimed mail. So when you lose a package, it actually goes to a mail recovery center where they try to find you. Then after 30 to 90 days, if they can't get a hold of you, it's either auctioned off in bulk or it's donated or destroyed. So the company that I bought my unclaimed packages from is called FUNDELIVERED, and this is apparently a well-known viral company. I see them a lot on TikTok. So I reached out and I was like, hey, will you send me a box? And they agreed. But this is not sponsored and this is solely my opinion. But you can see I have 2 boxes. So I actually bought one and then they sent one. So I saw some videos online where people said that they only send good boxes to influencers so that they'll open them up and be like, oh, it's amazing. And then like normal consumers, they get crappy stuff in their boxes. So I wanted to compare to see, you know, if that was true or not. All right, so the influencer box is loaded down with stuff. This is way more stuff than what is in the other one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, first package here. Okay. Sure. Not sure what that says. Is this? Okay. Is this Van Halen? I don't know. Might be able to let one of my kids wear this. I don't know. We gotta find out who that is first.
Next.
Ooh. Color correcting foundation. I might use those. Let's see if it's my color. Does it have a shade? Fair. Oh, that is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And it came with a really nice fluffy brush. So that's not bad.
Next.
What the heck is this? What is this? It's a table cover, but I cut it, so I don't know why you would even want this. Take a look. What on earth? Okay, my husband will like that. It comes with different blades and stuff. That's cool. It says the wood cover was $14.99 and the sauce net was $22.99. So let's do this one from the brand Catch Me. I gotta be careful with this knife. A large. I mean, I could fit into it. Oh, that was cute. Come on. Let me try it on real quick. Ooh, a steamer. Yeah, I need a steamer. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is nice. It's like a little steamer. Cool. I will definitely be using this. I need to steam my stuff all the time, and my steamer that I had years ago broke and I just never got a new one. I use an iron or put it in the dryer, which is probably normal, but I like this. This is heavy, so I don't know what the heck it is. Goalie fam? Are these goalie gummies? Whoa! Yeah, that's a good brand. So these are Goalie matcha gummies, Goalie apple cider vinegar gummies, and Goalie ashwagandha gummies. Wow. Look. Let's just make sure these haven't expired. They don't expire until July of 2027. Wow, Goalie's not cheap either, so it's like Christmas. Go Pure Gentle Gel Cleanser. Dewy Serum. Oh my gosh, this is loaded. Firm and Lift Serum. Vitamin C. Oh my gosh, someone did not get their order and they were pissed. Wrinkle Moisturizer. It just keeps going. Firm and Lift Serum, Tighten and Lift Neck Cream. Oh my gosh, if I placed this big of an order and I did not get it, I would be fuming. Steam would be coming out of my ears. I'm not even kidding. Wow, I wonder how much all this costs. What's next? Rice? Mushroom chai, mushroom matcha, mushroom hot cocoa, and mushroom coffee. There's the brand. 200 mg's of mushrooms. I mean, mushrooms are good for you, right? I mean, I love coffee, so I will definitely try it. And I love hot cocoa. This one says it's jewelry, so we gotta open this. Gosh, they're little tiny Huggies. I love little Huggies like these. Can you guys see them? Okay, here they are up close. So you can see like the blue rhinestones. They're super cute. I don't think there was anything else in here. Let me confirm. 2 stickers. Cute. Little stickers. Okay, this is from Pura. Candle Studio Fragrance Refill. Oh no, I don't have a Pura. Capri Blue, I love Capri Blue. Wait, so what is this? Okay, well, I guess I need to buy like one of those plug-in things. These probably aren't cheap. I don't think Pura is cheap. All right, this one is heavy, so I don't know what the heck this one is. The heck? Oh, like coasters. Okay, they're coasters. It's like glass. All right, these come in like a bunch of fun designs. So it's called Faded Lines, which I've never heard of, but it's got a really nice backing. Like these are good coasters. Design is weird. I don't know what that design is. Love like the abstract art. Can always use coasters, am I right? Cute. 3 more. Solace watch band. Oh no, I don't have a smartwatch. Oh, Solace. I don't have that. So that's what it looks like. It looks cute. That's a pretty blue. So. An aloe backpack? Oh my gosh, what? It's literally an aloe backpack. I love aloe, but they aren't cheap. Oh, this is good quality too. You can always use a backpack, you know what I'm saying? All right, last but not least, Thrift to Fight Fashion. Oh, ThredUp. This is from ThredUp. What on earth? It's a swim top. Cute. What is the brand? Robin Picone. Extra small. Oh, I am not an extra small. Maybe like 15 years ago. What's this? Athleta sports bras. Size small. Maybe I could squeeze into this. That's cute. What is this? Fox Swim. What? Okay, it's a top. Oh my god, this is tiny. Size small. This says a smaller. This is really big, so I don't know. Okay, this has got to be a child's. This is tiny. Look at this. I didn't think my leg would fit in this. What the heck is this? A size 4? Was this supposed to be someone's like prom dress? I'm sorry, I got it. But I do feel bad that someone was looking forward to that dress and they didn't get it. That was a really good box. I don't think the box that I bought is going to have as many items as this one, but I'm interested because they're really big boxes, so I can't wait to see what's in it. All right, here is the box that I got with my honey. Oh my. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 9. So let's see what the heck is in these. How fun would this be to like split a box at Christmas time with your family and do like a white elephant type of game, you know? That would be fun. Shut up. It's another handheld garment steamer. Oh my gosh, it's the same color. Stop it right now. I'm having deja vu. It's the same one. Okay, next one. Oh no, it's Shein. Oh no. What is this? Oh. I would have nowhere to wear this to. This is like a fancy dress. I love the chocolate color and the quality, it actually feels good. But there's two pieces, so. Are they in the same size? Okay, there's no tag on this one. The other one did say medium. They're the exact same, so. Let's try one of these on and see. I have no idea how to get this dress on. I mean, it's not terrible, but I can zip it. So the color is pretty, but it's weird. A chill mate pouch. What? And a silicone wine and drink glass charms. What?
What?
Easily fits around the glass stem. Is this just to make it look cute? I don't get that. I don't know why you would want these. Someone clearly had some plans, okay? They got the drink and then they got like the silicone wine accessory. What is this? Okay, so it's like a little insulated cooler? Yeah, I don't know. Let's do this. Are they just straws? Are they plastic? Yeah, they're plastic. Oh, but they do have a little bend to them. Now I have a lot of straws. We can use our straws for our wine. Yep. Some hoops. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the... I don't like silver. I am a gold girl, but maybe I would wear these. They're cute. They're heavy. They're like heavy duty ones. Nice. All right, what on earth could this be? It's not clothes. Is it like a picture frame maybe? It's got some flower print on it. Oh my gosh, this is a whole set. Someone was trying to like decorate their bathroom. Little bath mat. Oh, another mat. Toilet seat cover. Oh, sorry to whoever was trying to decorate their bathroom. I mean, they had a nice little like theme going on, so I see the vision, I do. We got 3 more packages left. What is it going to be? Tiny brew. This was an order for Liz in Connecticut. How funny if Liz in Connecticut watched my video and she's like, that's my package! Wow, what are these? There's 4 of them, whatever they are. Oh my gosh, it's a little coffee cup? Coffee mug? Like a little coaster? What is this for? I'm confused. Oh my god, did I get 4 of these? What the heck am I gonna do with 4 of these? It's got like a silicone top. Okay. Liz, I will gladly give you all of these back. I don't know what you're doing with them, girl. So maybe you could explain. I don't know. Comment below what the heck you would use these for. What could this be? A picture? Some artwork, maybe? A vinyl? I don't know. What is that? Okay, cool. Oh my gosh. I can't get it out of here. I can't deal with it. Stop. Warning, public urination is against the law. You're on camera right now. Who is urinating in public that you need this sign? Like, is someone out there peeing and they're like, we need to put up a sign to stop this person from peeing everywhere? Or is this for dogs? I mean, public urination, it's gotta be a human. Oh, wow. What on earth? I need someone to explain that. This is the last box. Let's hope this makes up for everything. Oh my God. This has gotta be like a shawl or something. It's not a dress. I am guessing this is the exact same thing. Maybe a different color. No! What on earth? There's like nothing in here to tell me what it is. Keep away from fire. 100% polyester. I don't know. I feel like Dracula or something. Final thoughts. Do I think that they cherry pick and give the influencers a good box? Yes, I do. I do. After seeing the box that I paid $126 for versus the box they gave me. If only they could make every box that they ship out an influencer box, because that was a good box and I would gladly pay $120 for the influencer box, you know? So I just sat here and totaled everything and it took me over an hour to do. So listen up, because I'm gonna give you the total. All right, the total of the influencer box, total of everything, the value of everything. I looked it all up one by one, $986.84. Here's my little spreadsheet I made. I would assume they gave me the biggest box of all, which had a total value of $224.99. So that is great value. All right, the box that I bought myself, the total was $260.15. So that's pretty good considering I paid $128.39. Now, that is if I were to sell everything at the price that I found online for it, because some stuff was on eBay and other sites like that. It's a good deal. I got my money's worth, so I can't complain, even though it wasn't stuff, that I really liked. I mean, that's the fun in it, right? That's the thrill of a mystery box of unclaimed mail, unclaimed packages. It is what it is. Do I think they cherry picked the influencer box? I do. I had fun doing it, and I would totally do it again, because I just like the thrill of not knowing what the heck I'm gonna open or what I'm gonna get. It's fun. It's a fun surprise. It'd be fun to do with, like I said, at Christmas time with family or coworkers at work or something, or friends. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.